2002, my buddy Mike and I were really starting to get into cooking and grilling and smoking and trying to create the perfect bite. And we noticed that the seasonings on the market were kind of dull and faded in flavor. And we thought, why not start a company that actually sources whole spices and grinds them fresh right before they're bottled by hand. So yeah, we targeted experienced cooks and foodies, and they noticed and they appreciated what we were doing. And we won our first competition in 2004, and in our career we did 132, I think it is, competitions. We won 15 grand championships, where first place in the field. We went to the World Championships for 6 straight years. We went 8 times to the World Series of Barbecue in Kansas City. People lie to you about your food. Like, people are taught to lie to you and say your food is good. So we wanted to cook for judges that had no idea who was cooking the food, and see what the judges had to say. Chris Capel, CEO and founder of Dizzy Pig Craft Seasonings.